Citi Thank You Rewards has a number of transfer partners, and some of them are pretty obscure. But which one is the best? Let's start with Etihad. Etihad partners with a lot of different airlines, including American Airlines, and it offers many reasonable redemption opportunities. For instance, you can redeem 50,000 Etihad miles for a one-way business class ticket on American Airlines from the US to Europe. What about Singapore Airlines? Now, Singapore is known for having some of the very best premium cabins in the sky. They are renowned for their Singapore suites. You can only book them with Singapore KrisFlyer miles, but you can get KrisFlyer miles by transferring points from Citi Thank You Rewards. Another Citi Thank You partner to consider is Virgin Atlantic. Now, you're not going to get great value on Virgin Atlantic flights due to the high surcharges and taxes and fees you'll have to pay. But you can get good value on Delta flights using Virgin Atlantic since they're partners. And you can get some incredible value with Virgin's partner ANA. In fact, you'll spend less than 100,000 miles on a business class ticket round trip from the US to Japan. Citi Thank You Rewards might not be the most lucrative program out there, but there are ways to get a ton of value for your points. And occasionally, Citi will even run transfer bonuses that will get you even more value. So click the link below to find out more ways to maximize your Citi Thank You reward.